Hi, I am Arpit Kumar. Today we are going to discuss about a topic of maths, algebraic expression of standard 9th. So then what is algebraic expression? We try to find out here. First of all, a question is in our mind. Then what is algebraic expression? What do you mean by algebraic expression? So try first of all, before knowing algebraic expression, we try to find out what is expression simply. Expression, we heard about expression like facial expression, hand movement, and etc. But it is different from this. In maths, the expression are formed by variable and constant. Means expression can be formed by variable and constant. Means if we are taking a constant like 18, it can be expressed as 6 into 3. It also expression. If we write 18 as 9 into 2, it will be another representation to express 18. So then 6 into 3, 9 into 2 are the representation to express any number like 18. That's why it is called an expression. Same this xy can be represented as x into y. It is another way of representation to x and y. Xy equals to x into y. So this is called expression. Now we studied expression is formed by constant and variable. So then what is constant and what is variables? First of all, we will try to about constant. What is constant? A constant is a value or number that never changes in expression. It means if we are using an expression and it has a number or value which never changes its nature, its value, then it is called a constant. Like if someone asks me to what is the value of 15, what I say 15 is the value. 15 has the value 15. 7. If can anyone say 7, what is the value of 78? It simply means 78 has a face value 78. So the value of 78 will be 78. There is no changes. Universally, it is accepted to all that 15 is the value of 15 and 78 has the value of 78. Whatever it may be, by like 20, 21, 50, 60, 80, kuch bhi, everything else we take it. It has a face value 15, so it has the value of 15. So any constant has same value which never change in any situation. Now after constant, we will try to understand about variable. A variable is a letter. Means a variable can be represented by a letter of alphabet, like it can be a b c x y z p q r, whatever you want to use, you can use to express any variable. So a variable is a letter representing some unknown. It means variable is used to represent some unknown quantity, some unknown value which is not known to us. We use variable to determine this value. A variable always represent a number, but it carries varying value when written in an expression. Variable always represent a number. Are you got it? Variable always represent a number, but it carries it represent number but varying values. With the situation, it changes time to time. When we write an expression like 2x plus 3y minus z, then we will find that it has three variables: 2x, 3y, or z. X also x also a variable, y also a variable, z also a variable. If we put up the x value of x like 1, 2, 3 or 3, and so on, y equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on, z equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on, in every situation the result of this expression will be different. If we put up 1, x equals to 1, y equals to 2, 3, z equals to 3, the result will be different. If we will swap the value x equals to 2, y equals to 1, z equals to 3, then it will give the result another. So any variable changes the value with the situation. So it is known as variable. It can be represented by any alphabet. Now, what is algebraic expression? We had known about expression, constant, and variable. Now it's time to know about what is algebraic equation, what we are going to study, and what is our topic. An algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which is made up of variable and constant. First of all, we study expression. That there we studied expression is made up of variable and constant. Now, with variable and constant, it also includes algebraic operation. when all three things combines together, it forms an algebraic expression: variable, constant, and algebraic operation. Here 6x, 4y, 9, plus, minus. It includes all three things. Like 9 is a constant, y is a variable, x is also a variable, plus and minus are an algebraic operation. So by combining three of these makes a algebraic expression like 6x plus 4y minus 9, 10x minus 5, etc. can be. So these all are algebraic expression. Have you got it? Algebraic expression? Maybe you have got it. So we move ahead. It is to be noted that unlike the algebraic equation, an algebraic expression has no sides or equal to sign. Means we had to find out what is the difference between algebraic equation and algebraic expression. Algebraic equation and algebraic expression. Algebraic equation consists of equal to, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to sign, which has two sides. One is left, other is right hand side. But an algebraic expression has one side, either left hand side or either right hand side. It has no equal to sign or less than equal to sign, greater than equals to sign. Here 3x plus 2y minus f minus 5 is an algebraic expression. X minus 20 is an algebraic equation. Sorry, x minus 20 is algebraic expression. 2x square minus 3xy plus 5 is also an algebraic expression. If we try to find out the example of algebraic equation, we make first example an algebraic expression like 3x minus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. If written as 3x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0, then it will be a algebraic equation. X minus 20 is equal to 5, it will also be a algebraic equation. But now as it is written 3x plus 2y minus 5, it is an algebraic expression. So maybe it is clear what is algebraic equation and what is algebraic expression. What is the difference between them? It has a minor difference, equal to, less than sign, nothing else. So after knowing all these things like equation, expression, variable, constant, coefficient, terms, we will try to find out in a written form. Here we write an equation. Why we are calling it equation? Because it has the operation equal to. So it is an equation. Equation has two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side consists 15 2x square minus 9x plus 36, and right hand side consists 7m plus 82. Right hand side also an expression which is rectangle in red color, but right hand side also consists an expression 7m plus 82. So in an expression, what can be? It can be term, means the combination of variable and constant is known as term. Here 9x and 52x square is called term. 36 here is constant. Here x square and x is variable, and in right hand side 7m is a term where 7 is coefficient of m is a variable, 82 is a constant. Here in 9x, 9 is a coefficient of x, 52x square has a coefficient as 52, x square is a variable, x is a variable. So it is all the things about we studied about equations and expressions. So what is variable, what is constant, what is coefficient, what is term. Maybe we are now able to answer any question from the algebraic expression. So that is all for today. Thank you so much.